Okay, boys and girls, this time we are comparing fractions with the same numerator, but the denominators are going to be different. I told you yesterday this may not be as easy as what yesterday's was, because when you had the same denominator, you just have to look at the top to see which one's bigger, right? Okay, when you have the same numerator, though, you can't do that, because the numerators will be the same, it's the denominators that will be different, and they're going to be into bigger or smaller pieces, which is going to make you're going to have to look to see which fraction is bigger or smaller using the pieces, okay? You're not just going to be able to just think, oh, I know this one's bigger because the top number is bigger, because the top number won't be bigger. It'll actually be the same. Right, Wyatt? Yeah. Eyes up here. Okay, let's read the story problem. Josh is at Enzo's Pizza Palace. He can sit at a table with 5 of his friends, or at a different table with 7 of his friends. The same size pizza is shared equally among the people at each table. At which table should Josh sit to get more pizza? Okay, so the pizza sizes, guys, I'm not saying the cut pieces, okay, but the size of the pizza is the same, the circle size, okay, not the cuts. You guys see that? Eyes up here, come on. Not the circle sizes are the same, but not the cuts. Does that make sense? Okay, so the pizza, the whole pizza, is the same size. They're cut into different size pieces, though, for each person, right? Okay, so including Josh, how many friends will be sharing pizza at each table? So at the first table with 5 of his friends, how many people would be sharing it if he was with them? Savannah? Yes, 6 friends. Oops. 6 friends. Or what's the other friends? Okay, if he went to instead he went to the table with 7 friends, how many people would be at that? Or I guess I should say. Yeah. Okay. So if he was at the table with 7 friends, how many total friends would be at that table, Bella? 8 friends. Okay. So what fractions are we going to compare? Tyson? Okay. Well, yes. Okay, we're going to compare the size of the pizzas, the 6 that are cut into 6 and cut into 8. Okay, so we're going to compare. I'm going to start out here because there's giving us 2 lines, but you never know how much room you're going to need. The size of the pizza slices. Size of the pizza slices at the 2 tables. We're going to say at each table, so it's not so many words. Okay? Okay, there will be 6 friends sharing pizza A, or 8 friends sharing pizza B. So Josh will either get 1 out of the 6 pieces, or he'll get 1 out of the 8 pizzas. So he'll only get 1/6 or 1/8. Shade 1/6 of pizza A. Shade just one of those. Because it says 1. One's the top number, that means you're shading that, right? 1 out of the 6. Okay, so we did that. Direction. And then the second direction says shade 1/8 of pizza B. So only shade 1/8. which of those pieces is larger? Which of those pieces is larger? Tyson? 1/6 is larger, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's compare that. 1/6 is
Greater
than
1/8.
1/8. Now, does this kind of make sense? I mean,
Yeah.
it does because the piece is bigger. So when you look at, and you're only looking at numbers, yesterday we were looking at the bigger number and we're eating the bigger number, right? Today we're still eating the bigger fraction, but the bottom part is the smaller number.
That's comparing
Eights are
fractions.
small.
That's what I learned about that when I was comparing fractions. That like when you do the bottom number, then you do the small.
So he should sit with how many friends, Wyatt?
5.
He should sit with 5 friends, because he will get a bigger piece with 5 friends, won't he?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Number 1. Which pizza has more pieces? Which pizza has more pieces? Cooper? Pizza B? Okay. P-I-Z-Z-A-B? Pizza B? I guess we could have just put B. You just put B, I'm fine.
I did that.
Okay. The more pieces a whole is divided into, okay, the more that we said that pizza B has more pieces, right? But the more pieces it's divided into, the blank the pieces are. Size-wise. The what?
The smaller they are.
Yes, the smaller the pieces are. So even though you are cutting into more pieces, they are going to be smaller pieces. And which pizza had the fewer pieces? Callie?
A.
Pizza A. And that tells you the fewer pizza pieces it's divided into, the bigger the pieces are. Don't eat them. Okay, read the story problem for this. On Saturday, the campers paddled 2/8 of their planned route down the river. On Saturday, they paddled 2/3 of their route down the river. On which day did the campers paddle farther? Now, I want you to look really quickly at these two fractions. The same number is in the numerator. This is 2/8, this is 2/3. We're going to compare 2/8 and 2/3. Place a check mark next to the fraction strip that shows more parts of a whole. Which fraction strip shows more parts of the whole? Savannah? No, that's not more parts. Less parts, actually. So what would it be then, everyone? 8. 8 is more parts. Okay? 8 has more pieces, is what I mean. Parts, pieces, that's what they mean. Okay? 8 has more pieces. Okay, now let's shade 2/8. When you have shaded 2/8, quickly, because we're not going to spend a lot of time on shading, you then need to shade 2/3. Quickly, because we're not going to spend a lot of time. We're going to compare the shaded parts. Now, you might have been trying to answer the question, Savannah, earlier, but that wasn't what the question was asking. Now the question is asking, though, which one is greater, 2/8 or 3/8? Edmund, which one is greater, 2/8 or 3/8?
Right?
You guys agree?
No.
Is 2/8 farther down the river? Like, this is the river. On Saturday, they only went this far down the river. Sunday, they went this far, 2/3. Which one went farther then, Tedman? Okay. What one was farther? Everyone?
2/3.
2/3. So which one is greater?
2/3.
2/3. So the campers paddled farther on what day? On Saturday or Sunday? Sunday. This is where you can use faction strips, guys, when you do your work later to show these problems, okay? To help you figure them out. Yes, you must have that's a proper noun. Oh, did I say 3/8?
Yeah.
Sorry. 2/3. Okay, thank you. Okay, next problem. For her class party, Becky baked 2 cakes that were the same size. After the party, she had 3/4 of carrot cake and 3/6 of the apple cake left over. Was more carrot cake or more apple cake left over? Okay, we're going to compare 3/4 and 3/6. Okay, I like to draw pictures. So I'm going to draw 2 circles. You guys draw them with me on the side too. Try to make them as close to the same size as you can. Okay? Now, if I wanted to do the fraction 3/4, what would I split that into? 3/4. If I wanted the top one, the top circle to show 3/4 for the carrot cake, I even put a C above it. What would I split that into, Aubrey? 3/4 or 3/6? I'm asking for 3/4. Yes, the bottom number tells you what it's split into. You split it into fourths, not the top. The top number doesn't tell you what it's split into. Okay, now, it says that 3/4 of the carrot cake was left over. So how many do I shave?
3.
3. Okay, now I want to go to apple cake. This is 3/6. So what should I split this cake into, Jacob? 6. So make an X, guys. And then a line splitting that in half. And how many should we shade out of those 6 then? How many should we shade, Eli? 3. 3. Or 3/6. Okay. Since the numerators are the same, look at the denominators. Compare the size of the pieces. Look at the size of our pieces. The more pieces the whole divided into, the blank the pieces are. The more the pieces are divided into, the more they're divided into. Look at these pieces.
The smaller.
The smaller they are, no, yes, the smaller the pieces are. If they're divided into more, like the 6 was the more, right?
Yeah.
Are those pieces smaller than the fourths?
Yeah.
Yes. The smaller they are. The fewer the pieces the whole is divided into, the what? No, it's not more. The blank the pieces are. If it's split into less pieces, then the pieces will be, everyone, bigger. 1/4 is blank than 1/6. Smaller or bigger? Or greater, I guess I should say. 1/4 is greater or bigger than 1/6 because there are bigger pieces. So, which one is greater, 3/4 or 3/6?
3/4.
3/4. So there was more of what kind of